I want to make some special notes about this ClassicModels database and some things that it does that are different from what you normally will see. Um, Here, as we've talked about this foreign key constraint and how it is a constraint on another table. And in fact, it calls out that table, employees. Now, in this particular table, this is the first table that's created in this database. So the employees table is actually created after this, somewhere in the script, somewhere below in the script. And normally that's impossible. Remember that foreign key constraint. That foreign key constraint constrains the actual data, the live data, so that once a customer refers to a particular employee as their sales representative, that sales representative can't be deleted. It says nothing, by the way, about the customer. The customer could be modified. Let's say the customer could have a different employee representative, or the customer can be deleted. That foreign key puts a constraint on the other table. So that employee number has to exist for that customer to be valid, and it can't be modified. Now, normally, when you define such tables, define such references, this employees table has to exist. That is, be defined before customers is defined. Just like the data has to be there before the data for customers can be inserted, the employees table has to exist before the customers table exists most of the time. Now, what happens in this script is we talked a little bit about this syntax here. This looks like a comment, but it's not. It starts like a comment, but then it has an exclamation point, and it says this is a comment if, that is, don't run this statement if you are before version 4.0 minor version numbers of MySQL. So this was version specific MySQL statement. So this statement on version 4 and above of MySQL turns off foreign key checks. So that's why this script allows that. So a special note, I don't think it's a good practice to do that. I think that employees, it's not, this table script could certainly get by without it, simply by defining and inserting employees before inserting customers. So special note, when you write your own scripts, don't expect that. Don't do that behavior. And if you need to, I suppose you can turn off foreign key checks. But a lot of these things actually where it's changing the SQL mode don't seem to be good ideas to me, and that's one of them. So, thank you.